A discovery framework was developed to quickly conduct a passive reconnaissance about a company. This tool automates a lot of different searches in one tool. For example, it can search for people, perform DNS enumeration, and a lot more. Now let's see it in action. First, we need to install the Discover Scripts application. We will download it using the git clone command. After the download is complete, you will see a new folder called Discover. Let's change the current directory to this new one and try to execute the application. Next, I will execute the application. Oops, I made a typo. Our candidate is called discover.sh, not discovery.sh. When the application loads, we have so many options. Now, to conduct a passive reconnaissance scan, type 1 for domain. In this screen, choose 1 for passive. In this example, I will be using my own blog website. In your case, you should enter your client's domain name. Finally, I will press enter to start the scan. After the scan is complete, an index.html file will be created under the root folder containing all the results from the scan. So, I will copy the path and press enter. After pressing enter, Iceweasel will open up automatically and will start querying about this domain in multiple places on the web. This one, for example, is doing some queries on the Reuters website. In case your client is listed in the stock market, check this out. We have Google Docs too. I'm not going to open every one of them. I will leave this part for you. Let's open the report generated by the application that we just copied earlier and append the index.html at the end. Looking at the results of the domain, the HTML homepage is laid out in an easy manner. The top banner bar has drop downs at each of the categories based on the information that was gathered. For example, under the Contacts tab, we can gather email contacts and names related to the domain. I will usually use this information to find more contacts or use them for social engineering purposes. Next comes the DNS tab. Here you can check if the DNS is blacklisted. Also, you have the config and records information, subdomains, and finally zone transfer results. Under the Domain tab, we can search for hosts, and in Netcraft, a domain squatting contains all of the misspelling for the domain of your choice and shows who the owners are. This is a great information for your client, as it could mean that someone is messing up with their domains. After that, we have the traceroute information and finally the who is results. In the Files drop-down menu, we can see that it will also gather files, kind of Google Doc searching, hosted on the servers of our client's organization. Finally, the report will display all the findings and show them in an easy to read manner.